Wales manager Craig Bellamy has admitted that his side's hope of automatic qualification for the 2026 World Cup are likely over, following a dramatic 4-2 defeat to Belgium at Cardiff City Stadium. The result leaves Wales needing Belgium to drop points in their remaining fixtures against Kazakhstan and Liechtenstein just to have any chance of topping Group J, a scenario Bellamy described as slim. Wales struck early for a Joe Rodon header, giving them hope of taking control. However, Belgium quickly turned the game in their favour. Kevin De Bruyne converted 2 penalties and Thomas Meunier added a goal, establishing a 3-1 lead. Nathan Broadhead's late strike briefly reignited the Welsh challenge, but Leandro Trossard sealed the win deep into stoppage time, confirming Belgium's dominance. Despite the defeat, Bellamy defended his high-intensity attacking approach. He acknowledged that it left Wales exposed defensively, particularly in transitions, with Belgium's Jeremy Doku exploiting space on the flanks. "We knew there'd be some difficult transitional moments. The quality of players they have do not miss the final pass," Bellamy explained. Bellamy's philosophy remains clear: pressing high and maintaining possession is the best way to compete against elite opposition. "We came here to win. A draw wasn't going to get us first spot. We created a lot of chances and we felt that this was the way of beating this team." Looking ahead, Wales still have 2 remaining fixtures in Group J, an away match in Liechtenstein on November 15th and a home clash against North Macedonia 3 days later. While automatic qualification now looks unlikely, Bellamy insists there is value in exposing his squad to high-level competition and continuing to implement his high-pressure attacking style. With the more direct route closed, Wales appear destined to navigate the playoff route if they are to secure a spot at next summer's tournament. Bellamy remains determined to see his philosophy tested and redefined against the very best.